house. It's like my house.
This is your house, yes.
Oh, I got hammer.
You want those hammers here? Those are Nate's hammers. They stay at his house.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Mama.
That's why they were at his house. And did you do a good job sharing them? You cried a little bit, right? What did you tell me before? You're not crying anymore? You feel better? You feel better?
He's making me so bad.
Oh, the fruit snacks made you feel better? Okay.
I put the stuff in here.
Yep, put them down there. That's where we put the garbage.
Now I have some of yours.
I already ate all mine. Sorry.
I just another one.
Okay, get another one out of the back.
It's you. It's me.
Some for you and some for me.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
I'll be right back in my seat.
Okay.
This is some more. Just more some me. Mommy, too. Back.
Oh boy, you got a lot, huh?
I saw some of you.
Uh-oh, sounds like Emily woke up back there. Let's go help Emily. Alright, that is plenty of fruit snacks.
One
Yeah, that's
for
plenty.
me.
You can't have all those, sweetie pie.